Firstly, when you will be on your Canva homepage, all you have to do is first just simply search for landing page template, and after that you will find that there are few results. So click on see all, or just simply click on landing page. It's gonna be the same thing. Now you will be given a lot of templates that you can customize over here, as you can see. So just simply pick which one suits your needs. Like for example, if you're selling a product, then it's going to be a product based landing page. If you're just simply giving some information, the style and the layout will be completely different. Or if you're creating a landing page to collect information, you can also do that. So depending on your need, you will be choosing your landing page. So once you've chosen your design, you will have a blank canvas right in front of you. Now, depending on the style that you have chosen, the landing page layout will be completely different. So in my case, I want to create a landing page in order to sell a ebook, and the ebook is going to be about recipes. So as you can see right over here, you will have a lot of things that you can edit. So now the landing page is going to be broken down into three main parts: the heading, the body, and the call to action. So in the heading section over here, you have to write exactly what you want the customer to know about your product. Let's say for example, in my case, I want to sell an ebook which is going to be covering vegan recipes. So now just simply get a good heading that will explain what you are selling right over here. So if you want help, you can obviously go to ChatGPT and get some good headings. Now, after you've got the heading, now it's time to write the main body. Now over here, you have to write exactly why your product is good and why your customer should buy and what are the benefits that they can get after buying your product. And if you want, you can also add some testimonials over here with some carousels. So it's totally up to you. And then in the end, call to action. So as you can see, everything over here is editable. And over here in the call to action, first, I'm going to link a button. So over here in the call to action, you can add your checkout page. So if you want to change the name, let's say for example, buy now. So now when anyone will click on this link, they will be redirected to the checkout page. So firstly, before that, you have to link this button to something. So click on the button over here and you will have the option of link. Click on it. Now I don't exactly have a checkout page over here, so I'm just simply going to link it with google.com. So, and now just simply hit enter, and now it is linked with google.com. So click on done and finish it. And now it's time to add your heading, body, and your image or VSL or whatever you're using as an example or the mockup of your product. So now once you have your heading and body, just simply add it right over here or write it down. So my heading is going to be this over here. Now change the style, the size, the alignment, and the font itself as well. Resize the text box as well. Now I'm also going to highlight some stuff. So in order to highlight something, just simply highlight it with the mouse, and then if you want to underline it, you can do that. If you want to make it bold, you can also do that. And if you want to change the color of a single text, you can also do that as well. And now if you want to add some distance, you can also do that by the line spacing option right over here. Now after that, add your body. So try to make your body as engaging as possible, because your customer or the viewer is going to read the body and then they will buy it. So make it more convincing. So as you can see, this is my body over here. So now what you do is just simply resize it. And now after you have your heading, the body, the call to action, all it is left for you to is add your mockup or image. So after you have added your mockup picture over here, you're good to go. But so let's say for example, you want to create a landing page with multiple pages in it. So as you can see, this is just a single page checkout landing page. But if you want to create a longer landing page with multiple pages in it, what you have to do is just simply click on add page and add a new page over here. But you will probably need the old style that is on your first landing page. So in that case, what you would do is just simply duplicate the entire layer over here by pressing this option, and the entire thing will be duplicated. Then you can delete whatever you want to delete, modify however you want to modify, or change everything entirely, but keep the background. So it's totally up to you. And after you're done with all of that and you have created multiple pages as well, all you have to do is just simply go to preview option over here, and then over here, just simply to see how your page is looking. As you can see right over here, you have multi-page landing page over here. And now let's check the button that we added. So if you click on buy now, it should go to google.com, as you can see right over here. So over here, you have to add your checkout button or whatever button you want to redirect the customer to. Now, as you can see for the desktop version, it is absolutely fine. Now just simply check if the landing page is looking good in the Android version or mobile version as well or not. So as you can see right over here, it is looking good in the mobile version as well. So after you're done with this, so after you're happy with the landing page over here, all you have to do is click on publish website. And now if you have a domain, just simply choose the second option over here, use my existing domain to connect with any one of your own domains, or just simply choose the free domain over here. So click on continue. So after that, just simply add a name for your domain. So let's say vegan weight loss, and then click on continue. And now just simply add the page URL. So after adding your URL, you can also edit the browser tab preview, which you can see right over here. So I'm just simply going to add vegan weight loss unleashed. So if you did not understand what this part is, so as you can see right over here at the top over here in the browser tab, you will find green light, blue, red, gray gradient. So this is the name of the template that I'm using. So this is what exactly people are going to see, whatever you will put right over here. And now in the end, just simply add a description. So I'm just simply going to add some description from over here. And now after that, if you want, you can go to the advanced settings and change few stuff, but I'm not going to do that. And now in the end, all you have to do is click on publish and wait for a few seconds over here. And after that, your landing page is now published. You can click on view website to view your live website, as you can see right over here. So this is how you can create landing pages in Canva. So if you would like to get a subscription for Canva, you can get the link in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.